to use Microsoft To Do for daily tasks. So first, open up Microsoft To Do. Add tasks you want to do today by typing them in. Use the My Day feature. So add tasks. For example, My Day. Click enter. Then you're gonna click the title or the task. Every morning, open My Day. Add tasks from your list to focus on today only. Set due dates or reminder to take notified. I do so tomorrow. So next is for things you do every day, set tasks to repeat daily. Repeat, I click daily. When a task is done, check it off. So you're gonna click this is done. So you see it's completed. One completed. Your task will sync across your phone and computer. So that's pretty much it on how to use the Microsoft To Do for daily tasks. Simple version. It's not complicated, so that's pretty much it. Thank you.